first of all, you don't need to be really worried too much. I think that with that new schematic that they have, I think anyone could easily figure out how to wire it. It's not that difficult to install. It's a really simple install. You don't have to be you know, an electrician to do it. It's very simple, and they made it easy. And then I love the fact that they have those LEDs on there, because you can be rest assured that it's going to work. You don't have to wonder if it's working. You know, you can verify that you've wired it correctly and that it's working. It's going to make your generator or your AC unit work on a small generator with no problem, starting it up. And I mean, it just, peace of mind. You know, that's what I was looking for, peace of mind. And I mean, before, when it would come on, you hear this big startup, boom kind of thing. Now you don't hear nothing. It just comes right up. It's really cool.